How to turn off Facebook offline activity. So first is to open the Facebook application. Then tap on the three horizontal lines found on the upper right corner. Now tap the gear icon also found on the upper right corner. Now scroll down until you find this section, Your Information. Under Your Information, select Off Facebook Activity. Then tap Continue and select Disconnect Specific Activity. So in here, you will find a list of recent activities in your account. So select an activity that you want to delete and then click Continue. Now tap Confirm. Now that activity has been disconnected. But if you want to delete the activities all at once, all you have to do is tap on Clear Previous Activity and then tap on Clear. Now if you want to manage your future activities, just tap on Manage Future Activity. So you might either select Connect Future Activity or Disconnect Future Activity. And so that is how you turn off Facebook offline activity. Thank you and have a great day.